What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button. And from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart icon, it will restart your phone, and after restarting the smart lock will start working properly. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then for next solution open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps click on this apps option again and then scroll down and then click on Google Play Services. Now go to the storage of Google Play Services and from here clear the cache memory of the Google Play Services app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on this clear cache option and the cache memory will be cleared. And after doing this, the smart lock will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while using smart lock, then the next solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the smart lock will start working properly. So that's how you can fix if smart lock is not working on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.